One of our early additions in our edible garden is that hubby built a tool shed for me, and that was extremely handy. The house that we moved into only had a single garage, so we were very limited with space. Apart from being a beautiful addition to the garden, it is very practical. It's closer to my edible garden, so I've got my tools and all the other equipment that I need. The tool shed is built on a wooden platform, and we used mainly wood to put the structure together, and it was cladded on the outside with roof sheeting, and we used the roof sheeting for the roof, and we've got some see-through panels just to make the lighting in the tool shed easier, especially during the day, that you can see better. Because hubby is in the window and door business, he had a door with reject that we used as a front door, which I think is still beautiful. And he also made a lovely window on the side. We also used some mesh on the inside just to keep the big birds out. We had a lovely ramp built from local rock just to make entry in and out with equipment to make it easier. We also used some of the wall paneling that we took out of the house. We used as cladding, even some of the doors. You can see some of the door knobs is still on the cladding that we used. And it was for me quite nice to be creative and to use everything that we took out of the house. We have also in the interim added electricity. So we've got a light inside, which is nice. And we've got a plug point. And you can see I've got all my spades and forks and rakes. Everything that I need is in there. Just keeps everything nice and handy. And if your tools and everything is just sorted out, it's so much easier when you need to work in the garden just to grab what you need. We used the old cabinets that we could salvage. We used this cream drawers, came from the bedroom. The red drawers comes from our kitchen. Then there was also some shelving and some hooks that we took out of the house that we repurposed in the tool shed, and that is for hanging up some of our hand tools, and also repurposed the old post box in front of the tool shed. So it all came out such a lovely project, and I am so thankful that hubby built it for me. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did so, remember to hit the like button. If you want to stay tuned to the videos that I'm making, remember to subscribe, and remember, take care of your health. It's precious.